saw your smile across the room, and suddenly my heart went boom. The world was fading, time stood still. You became my sweetest thrill. Every little thing you do makes me wanna stay with you. I don't need 1,000 stars when your love is where we are. You're the one I dream about, the one I can't live without. Every heartbeat calls your name, nothing in my world feels the same. If forever means me and you, I'll make every dream come true. Through every night and every day, I'll choose you in every way. When I'm lost, you are my light. You make everything feel right. Even when the rain comes down, you turn my tears into a smile. Maybe love is not a perfect story, but with you, I don't need glory. Just your hand and your sweet smile. I'll walk beside you every mile. You're the one I dream about, the one I can't live without. Every heartbeat calls your name, nothing in my world feels the same. If forever means me and you, I'll make every dream come true. No matter where this life may go, I'll always let my heart say so. Only you, only you.
I still look at the door sometimes, like you're coming back. But deep down, I know you're not. Your picture's still beside my bed, but all the words we had are dead. But all the words we had are dead. I hear your voice inside my head, remembering everything you said. We had forever in our hands, but forever slipped away like sand. Now I'm standing where we began, trying to understand what happened. I gave you all the best of me. You were the future I could see. Now every song sounds like goodbye, and every memory asks me why. You left, but your shadow stayed in every dream that I have made. I smile outside, but deep within, I'm still learning how to breathe again. You were my home, you were my light. Now I'm alone with you tonight. Not in my arms, but in my mind. Not in my arms, but in my mind. The heart is leaving you behind. I deleted every message, but I remember every line. I changed the songs we used to love, but they still take me back in time. Maybe we were meant to meet, maybe not forever stay. Some people become memories, even when we beg them not to fade. If you ever think of me, I hope you smile instead of cry. We couldn't make it to forever.